Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how you can create custom emotes for Discord. So for that you have to open your web browser and you have to search this 128 into 128 custom Discord emote maker. So you will find the first website here. You have to open that, which is copying.com, and you have to click on edit this template. So you can edit it the way you want. There are many things in this software. You can browse through it. So you can find images. You can double click on it to select the image. You can add text, custom text. You can edit the text from here in this right side panel. You can also add videos as well if you want. You may find many videos. You can click on the video and add it. You can add some other elements like emojis, shapes, and etc. So basically you can customize this whole thing. You don't need any Photoshop or any other software. You can browse through all this and explore your creativity. So after all this, you can export it as GIF or image. So if you want an animated one, then you have to export it as GIF, and if you want an image one, then you have to export it as an image. So I'm gonna click on that and click on export image. So then I'm going to click on download. So it gets downloaded. And now you can use this as an emote in your Discord. So for that you have to right click on it and server settings, go to, then you have to click on emoji, and you can add this image as emoji. As you can see, you can rename it, and you can also type it here. And as you can see, this is how you can custom make emotes for Discord. So if you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.